Alright guys, it's yet another day and it's Tochi once again, and in this tutorial I'm taking you through easy steps that you can import fonts into your PixelLab and make use of them. Okay, so without much ado, we get into the video. The first is to launch your PixelLab application, and if it's for the first time, I've told you just give it access. And once that is done, this is the interface that you are firstly presented with. So the first thing to do is to let me first clear this text before. Now in the other video, I forgot to bring your attention to some facts. The first thing I want to talk of is how to add an image. So let's say you are designing, you have added your background, your text, you want to bring in an image. You just tap on this plus sign, this from gallery here. I think I explained but rushed through it a little bit, and so I'm taking my time here. So you just tap on from gallery, then you go and select the image you want. So it can be a JPEG or PNG image. You just bring it in and you crop. Okay, then that's it. The image comes in. There you have it, very nicely. Good. Now that's the first concept, adding an image. Now the next thing I want to talk of, let's clean the image here. The next thing I want to talk of is this button. It's a two button, this button, where we select the shape. There are other buttons there. So this is a sticker button that you can tap and get your stickers. This is also another means you can use to import an image. The one we just did, you just tap there and you are sent to your gallery to bring in an image. Good. So that is it. Let's move on. You can draw from here. You can use the bizarre tool or the arrow tool. Good. So that is that. I want to focus on the purpose of this tutorial. That is how to import a font. Good. Now PixelLab presents an easy steps that you can follow and import font. The first thing is font is related to text. So before you can import font, you tap on the text button, then you bring in a new text. So add text. So once the button comes here like that and is selected, the options to edit it will appear. Then you go to font. That's the AB. Once you tap on font, you see the fonts appearing. Now this one is the system provided fonts here. As you can see, it is selected here. Now this one here, that is my font. That one is where you can add your own font. Okay, so how then do we add a font? Now when you want to add a font, the first thing is to tap on this plus sign. Tap on this plus, that is add a font. Now this one helps you to add a single font. So let's see how you use it. You just tap on it. Then it leads you to your fonts. But if unfortunately you are not led here, probably you'll be led to your file manager. Then you scroll down. You remember I've shared the link with you to download it from my drive, and then you have it in a zip format where you will extract. So after the extraction, you kept it in your font here. So that's where you can have it. So when you go to font, you tap on TGA fonts. Now I've told you the button that we pressed will give you access to adding a single font. So what we can do here is, if you tap on a single font, you add just a single font. And PixelLab has this kind of problem that once you add a font, adding new ones become quite often a problem. So you just select all the fonts by tapping and holding. So you tap and hold, then you can pick the others. If you want to select all, you tap on this button here so you tap and hold and select. If you want to select all, you tap on this button here and tap on select all. So they will all be selected. Then you tap here, select. Now once you tap on select, you wait for it to load. Automatically to load into your font. Good. So here you have the fonts very nicely loaded. So you can just select any of the fonts. I have close to 600 fonts just available there that you are going to use. Now you can select any of them and it will be nicely applied on your work, as you can see here. So let's see. Yeah, that is it. Now let me introduce you to this fact. For instance, if you have issue with uploading fonts, for instance, if you upload and it's not coming, it's still giving you issue. So what you do there is you refresh the app. Okay, you refresh the app. So this is how you do that. You just go back to your home, then you go to your settings. So settings. Then when you go to your settings, I think I'm using a different phone, so if only it's Android you are using, you can go to settings. Once you go to settings, you go to the app manager. That's where you can have your apps. Now you open the apps here. Now once you get access to all the apps, you look for PixelLab. Now you look for PixelLab. Once PixelLab opens, I said you are going to refresh the app. So what you do is you are going to tap on storage, where you can clear all the capacity of the app. So you clear data. So you tap on clear data. Once you clear data, you go back. The app is going to start afresh. So you allow or give it access. Once you are done, then you go and load it again. So take note, when it is loaded for the first time, you're having issues, you refresh the app by clearing its data, then you take the whole process again. So you just select all, then you tap on select, wait for some time, they will appear. So you can keep trying, it will appear. Once they all appear like this, you don't have a problem. You can use them anytime and any moment. All right, you can select any of them. Okay, so guys, that is that for the font. I'd want to end here, and I wish you a very nice day, and then hope to catch you up in the subsequent videos. Bye bye.